Could your face replace a credit card? Well, maybe. PayPal is working on a pilot program to make it an alternative. 12 retailers in London have given shoppers the chance to use the PayPal app and a personal profile to make purchases from their smartphones. A PayPal spokesman gave Sky News more information about how the program works.
And within that app will be all the locations where you can pay with PayPal. You simply need to select the location, do a pin drop, and your profile picture and your name will be transferred to the retailers or the shops till.
The BBC went inside one of the 12 participating stores and showed how seamless the process really is in practice.
And you're Emma. I've seen you've checked in on PayPal.
Yeah.
Just going to charge you right now. Great. Thank you very much. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
That's all done.
Thank you.
Enjoy your yogurt.
But do people like the new technology? A writer for The Telegraph says it might take some getting used to, but the convenience factor makes it a great choice. There's something slightly unnerving about needing neither cash nor a credit card to buy lunch, but it adds to the already excellent features allowing people to pay other individuals through the app, as well as splitting the bill in some restaurants. Reaction from the retailers, which just started using the facial recognition technology, has been mostly positive. According to CNET, workers say it's an effective way to handle transactions because customers don't need to dig through their wallets. One of the major concerns, though, is safety. A survey done earlier this year shows just 13% of people feel it's okay to store their credit card information on their phones. On top of that, only 30% say they trust their information would be kept safe by large retailers. But CNBC notes it might be a more secure method of buying products, even if people surveyed don't agree. Customers wouldn't have to enter their PINs, they'd simply show their photos from their smartphones. Of course, PayPal and retailers will have to work at keeping the headshot database up to date, accounting for changes in hairstyles or even plastic surgery. Meanwhile, in the US, PayPal is running a similar system. There's no dedicated app or fancy facial recognition, but users can set up a mobile payment code and PIN to pay through their phones at participating stores. PayPal expects to have the facial recognition technology rolled out at more than 2,000 locations in the UK by the end of the year. For Newsy, I'm Carissa Lathan. Multiple sources, a broader view.